Poland has blamed a Russian-made missile for killing 2 people when it fell in the eastern part of its country. However, its foreign ministry has not said who fired.
Please stand by for a message from the European Union. This is EuroAlert from Brussels. All TV stations in the European Union have suspended their regular programming to deliver the following message. On screen you can see a list of the different channels which will be broadcasting the alert in different languages. For other languages, please check out europa.eu.
You are listening to the English Alert. This is an emergency broadcast from the European Union. Information of a nuclear strike against some European Union member states has been received. We advise you to stay calm and devote your attention to this broadcast. Make sure
Surrender to Russia. Сдача России. Surrender to Russia. Сдача России. Accept Putin as your president and we will respect you. Betray your Russian overlords, and you will be sent to purification camps. It is your choice. The European Union is now a Russian satellite state named European Russia. Your languages will be banned and you will learn the Russian language. Surrender now. 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 Surrender to Russia. Сдача России. Surrender to Russia. Сдача России.